Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage, and thanks very much for joining me here today for a very simple, minimal morning. Arising early and allowing the day to unfold. Some of you suggested that it's better to let your bed air out, so I've been doing that recently instead of making it straight away. Getting outside and just breathing. We all need oxygen, and yet we can forget to breathe. This time of the year, the apple trees are in full bloom, so I'm taking advantage. And I'm going to make some stewed apples. These apples are wonderfully sweet, and I do my best to eat and season on fruit and veg that are grown locally. Popping into the polytunnel, check on the plants, see what they need, and then just pick a few things I'm going to use during the day. It never ceases to amaze me, the absolute miracle growing your own food. And no matter how small the harvest is, it always brings such joy. As the days are getting shorter and colder, it's nice to put things into your body that will warm you from the inside out. And stewed apples are great at this, and you can add nice warming spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. You can also make scrap apple vinegar from the cores and the peels, so I'll leave that link down below for you. And I'll usually make large quantities and then leave the rest in the fridge for the week. Having some warm water and lemon while I'm waiting. Some nuts and seeds, and finishing off with a dollop of jam. Sitting down and relaxing before the day starts. We always think we need to go, 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 rush through everything, and it's so nourishing for your body to just sit and eat. A friend told me to pot the beans when the plants are completely dry, so I'm trying that out. Wonderful purple colour, and it reminds me of when I used to sit for hours in my grandmother's garden potting her peas. An activity that can seem to take so long, and yet time very well spent. Taking the opportunity with the sun shining through the trees, it's really nice just to get out in nature once a day. It's extremely therapeutic for the body and the mind. From the smells and the sights and the sounds, it connects you back with yourself. And a nice brisk walk as well is great to keep your heart nice and strong. and it's completely free. On the way back, I picked some mint and some chamomile to have a cup of tea. And there's a saying in Ireland that everything can be solved over a cup of tea. And it's so true. These herbs have been drying now for a few months, so I'm going to get them ready, cut them up a bit and pop them in jars to use over the winter in teas or rinses. And I'd really like to know some simple things you like to do in the morning. And if you're like me and you're feeling the hibernation coming on, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.